Hello everyone, this is Dot. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. In the device now, we have this nice black BWINTECH Euro cylinder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin. Let's see what secrets this one holds. I'm not asked about how I get this one, just want to get it open. Is that going to be too thick? Nope, it is not. So I'm going to use a number of different picks. I'm going to start with this Bogota or Elite Bogota number 9 from multi-pick and see what these pins are saying. And there we go. It didn't take long at all with the Bogota number 9. Nice little lock. I think that is actually the first time I've ever opened that one with this. I think I've SPP'd it, but I've never used that one, so happy days. That's it from me today. Hope everyone enjoyed that one. See you later.